Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Auto RYK. Today, we're getting a look at a truly special machine, the 2025 Toyota Gr Gt3. This isn't your average Toyota. This is a track-focused beast designed to dominate the world of endurance racing. Buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to dive deep into the Gr Gt3's roaring engine and sleek design. Let's start with what makes this car tick: pure, unadulterated power. While Toyota remains tight-lipped on specifics, rumors suggest a hybrid powertrain pushing well over 1,000 horsepower. That's right, folks, we're talking about a machine that can go toe-to-toe with the established champions on the track. But horsepower is just one piece of the puzzle. The Gr Gt3 is expected to boast a lightweight chassis and a race-tuned suspension. Imagine cornering at lightning speed with pinpoint precision. That's the kind of control this car promises. Now, let's shift gears and talk about that head-turning design. The Gr Gt3 is sculpted for aerodynamics. Every aggressive line and dramatic vent serves a purpose, generating downforce and keeping the car glued to the track. It's a functional beauty that screams performance. Of course, it wouldn't be a Toyota GR without some heritage woven in. Look closely, and you might see hints of the legendary Supra in the car's silhouette. It's a subtle nod to Toyota's racing pedigree. But what truly sets the Gr Gt3 apart? Here's where things get interesting. Rumors point towards a groundbreaking hybrid system. Imagine the mind-blowing combination of electric torque for instant acceleration and a powerful gasoline engine for sustained speed. This could be a game-changer, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the racetrack. Now, the Gr Gt3 isn't for everyone. This is a car built for professional racing teams, pushing the limits of engineering and human skill. But for car enthusiasts like ourselves, it's a glimpse into the future of motorsports. The 2025 Toyota Gr Gt3 is a force to be reckoned with. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and a sign of things to come in the world of racing. Whether you're a die-hard gearhead or simply appreciate cutting-edge technology, the Gr Gt3 is definitely a car to keep your eye on. So, what do you think? Is the Gr Gt3 the future of endurance racing? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching.